Hi, my name is Wendy Myers of MyersDetox.com, and as many of you know, I'm so passionate about living a clean, non-toxic life and detoxing your body of heavy metals. And I wanted to take a moment to talk about non-toxic cleaning products. We're all aware of the non-toxic products that you can get at Whole Foods and the other big chains. And I know a lot of you are thinking, well, great, Wendy, but a lot of those products don't really work very well. And I agree with you. I've spent a lot of money searching for different non-toxic products and have been really unhappy with their performance, or they don't get odor out of the clothes. There's always some problem. So many people are forced to choose between poor performing non-toxic products or performing products that leave chemicals in their body and toxins that can be there for years or even decades, interfering in your hormones and causing weight gain. But the great news is that you no longer have to make a choice. I have completely fallen in love with this company called My Green Fills. They have these non-toxic, amazing products that are 100% natural, that perform great and work like they're supposed to. They clean your clothes so well, and they leave it with a fresh scent, or you can get non-scented also. And this company is so amazing. They even employ women in Jamaica who are deaf to make these little scented angels that are an alternative to dryer sheets. Dryer sheets can have 100 different chemicals in them. They're horrible, and these are a great alternative to just throw them in the dryer, and they leave this beautiful citrus scent that's from essential oils and not petroleum-based toxic fragrances. They also ship their products in refillable jugs, and so they ship it first in this laundry detergent, this powdered laundry detergent that you then pour into the jug and fill it with hot water. I used to have a lot of guilt about throwing these big plastic jugs in the garbage all the time, but you can refill these over and over, and because these products are shipped in powder form, it reduces their carbon footprint, so it's better for the environment as well. As you can see, I'm so excited about My Green Fills and the non-toxic laundry detergent that they make, and I encourage you to stop using your toxic laundry detergent or to make the switch to a better non-toxic, better performing brand like My Green Fills. All they ask to get your first 50 loads for free is to pay a modest shipping charge. Just click the link below to take advantage of this offer, and I'm so confident that you'll be glad that you made the switch.